Sexual love. Sexual love is a characteristic of a person wherein this particular person, his desire is only sexual matters. This person is only aftering the pleasure from sex. And most often these people have psychological deficit because there are situations and cases happen in the States nga ang iyang mama, he was drunk, ang iyang mama, iyang kaugaling mama, iyang gi-rape, dayon ang iyang mama nakaanak nga supposedly iyang igsuon, iya pong anak, something like that. It is because of kaning too much the abnormal production of the hormones of a person connected in his pituitary gland kanang, and this person whenever can see pornographic pictures pornographic pictures ang iyang organ mo arouse so kanang like what you said a while ago, erotic, and most often chivalrous siya kanang most often siya tempted when it comes to sexual topics or topics about sex. Kanabang interested siya ba? These are people having the characteristic of sexual love. They love you because of sex, and they want to marry you because he wants to fuck you. He wants to sex with you. He wants to experience endless happiness through sex performances.
Thank you, Raymond.